Season MVP, Eliza.
And napakaraming accolades na nakuha na si Eliza.
Okay,
Who
Eliza,
we mention.
there's actually a tent over there filled with your fans. Okay, so short message as Euro for your fans, your beloved fans, and these people who always cheer you on.
Well, syempre, sobrang thankful po kami. Kahit sobrang layo ng mga ganun ng games namin. And hindi lang sa kanila, sa lahat po. Parang, thank you so much, Ateneo community, and to all our fans, to all the women's and men's na fans po talaga. Maraming salamat. Sana po may time kami makapag-pictures with you and magpasalamat sa personal po sa inyo.
So 2 years back to back, every year is different. What made this year more special than last year?
Kasi every game talaga we dedicated to our coaches, sa seniors namin talaga, parang hindi ako seniors, sa mga graduating na teammates namin, and syempre kila Sir Ricky, Sir Tony, sa families namin and sa mga fans talaga. It's more, I think it's sweeter talaga, sweet 16 talaga this year kasi mas dumami tayo, di ba? Mas dumami po tayo, and ayun, para kay Kiwi, kaya siya, finals MVP. Woo!
Kiwi, let's come here. Nag-sink in na ba sa'yo that you're the finals MVP?
No naman. I think my whole team are all MVPs, so yun na lang.
Hindi pa nga nagsisink in.
Going into the last game, 15-0 na yung record nyo, what kept you guys hungry? What kept you motivated to still get the win even if you were already so ahead of the competition?
I mean, Lasal is we have to respect our opponents, diba? Pero yung number ko 16, so sana 16 na.
Okay.
So, marami tayo dyan. Nagkalat lahat ng mga tweets dyan. Di ba? Okay, doon naman tayo sa mga girls. Girls?
I wanna ask Bea a question.
Yeah. Si
Bea,
Bea.
Okay, so Bea, you came from Papeda, you were a high school student, and then you were thinking about which college to go to, and I heard that you're deciding between LaSalle and Ateneo, is that right? So what made you pick Ateneo?
I think these people say that all. I picked Ateneo because I felt more that I belong here. So yeah, and my teammates here, I don't think I would have chosen any other people to be with me.
Wow, yeah,
Oh, Bea, how was it playing through the injury?
Painful.
Painful?
Look at her hand now, guys.
Wow.
She can't straighten it. She can't straighten one finger, but she can still play.
Yeah, I can still play.
And she will be there next season, for sure, diba?
Yes.
Yan. Sumali ka sa street dance para mag-split yan. Anyway,
Guys, hintayin daw natin yung...
sino pa ba? Sino pa pwede natin tanongin dyan? Ayun!
Si Gia.
Si Gia, si Mitch. Yan, okay. So, sabi nung when I was watching on TV, they said you are the next or the next Eliza. Ano gusto mo? The next area.
Ay, pwede. Ang ganda yun.
Mapigimini yan eh. So ano masasabi mo sa mga fans mo na nakikinig ngayon sa ABS-CBN sa tayo ngayon? Live tayo ngayon, mag-delay telecast ng 2 years. Anong masasabi mo next year na kayo na ang halos? Magdado na ng team.
Well, gagawin pa rin ang po namin. Pause pa rin. Hindi kaya namin gawin for the team. Siyempre, wala nang favorite namin teammates at Ate Beth, especially Ate Ariel.
Yeah.
Sobrang, hopefully, magawa namin lahat ng magagawa namin na pagawa sa amin ng Coach Live. Tsaka, yun, sana stay happy kami lahat.
Stay happy. Yeah. Si Gia, gaano ba kahirap? Alam mo, I've been hearing, no? Napakahirap daw ng training ni Coach Kai. Anong mahirap? Yung training o yung sinasabi niya?
Coach Tay, wala mo.
Yung training.
Nasanay na rin naman po kami sa personal ng Coach Tay.
And usually, ang inumuna niya yata is ikaw. At, I mean, bago pa kayo mag-start mag-train, binibigyan ka niya ng additional setting patterns, ganyan-ganyan. Tama ba?
Hindi naman po. Lahat po kami may kanya-kanyang instructions sa binibigay.
Okay. So, napakamahihain itong mga player na.
Silang dalawa po. I think now it's time we talk to
Coach,
Coach Tai.